How to factory reset NordicTrack Treadmill. First, turn off the treadmill. Locate the main power switch near the power cord and switch the treadmill off. Most newer NordicTrack treadmills use a physical power switch before performing a reset. Step 2. Find the reset pinhole. Look around the side of the screen, underneath the display, or behind the console. You're looking for a tiny pinhole reset button. Many users miss it because it's extremely small. Step 3. Hold the reset button. Use a paper clip, a sim tool, a pin, or a toothpick. Press and hold the reset button inside the hole. Step 4. Turn the treadmill back on. While still holding the reset button, turn the treadmill on, wait for the screen to light up, and then release the paper clip after a few seconds. You may see System Recovery, iFit Reinstall screen, or an Android recovery screen. Step 5. Wait for the reset to finish. The reset can take up to 5 to 30 minutes. Do not unplug the treadmill during this process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.